Hello and welcome to another episode of Healthy Mondays. My name is Sarthak Kapoor from GI Vida Videos. In this episode of Healthy Mondays, I will tell you how you can prevent lower back pain naturally without any medications or physiotherapy. Also, if you are already suffering from lower back pain, this method will actually help you in long run to prevent lower back pain. Coming up right after this. Welcome back guys. Without wasting much time, let me tell you how you can prevent lower back pain naturally without any medications or exercises or physiotherapy. Posture is one of the most important things. Maintaining a good posture can actually be the most important things to prevent lower back pain naturally. We often feel that we are in a good posture though we are in a bad posture and we are not even aware of it. There are actually 4 ways where you can screw up your posture. First one is the chicken head. Many people have a tendency to keep a head like this, like while it should be like that. Secondly, round shoulders. It could, like, many people keep their shoulders like that and they don't even realize. That's the main problem with these posture issues, that they don't realize that they're in a bad posture. You should round up your shoulders like that and keep your back in a good position. See? Third bad posture is actually the one considered as the only bad posture by majority of people, which is this one. We often feel pain in our lower back and spinal cord. Basically, that's because of this bad posture. You can fix it like that. Fourth is a hip. Like, many people have a tendency to keep a hip like that, and this affects this. This actually weakens the whole region of this. The way to fix this bad posture is to squeeze your glutes. What you can do is simply by squeezing your glutes, you can align it in a correct posture. So these were the 4 bad postures that you have to fix, that you can fix and that you should fix by yourself and prevent back pain. Another tip that will help you to maintain a good posture, I'm sorry I cannot show you that one here, is stand to a wall. Like, for example, if this is a wall, stand to a wall, make sure your head, your shoulders, this point, your hips and your knees and your heels. I know you cannot see my heels, but your heels. All these 5 points should touch the wall in a straight line and stay in that posture for like say 30 seconds to 1 minute. This you should do like at least 3 to 4 times daily. If you are in a bad posture, you should do this 4 to 5 times, 3 to 4 times daily. What will this actually do? It will let your body realize that where it is going wrong in the posture, and you will yourself realize how to fix that posture and you will work on it. Second best way to get rid of lower back pain is to maintain your core strength. Core is basically the muscles in your abs, in your lower back and in your glutes. What you can do is, there are a set of exercises you can do to maintain the strength of your abs, your lower back and your glutes. Third and fourth are the most general mistakes everyone does to screw up their lower back and get lower back pain. Third one is the lifting pattern. Well, while lifting something from the floor or from something which is lower to you, many people bend like this. While the correct way to bend down and lift a thing is by bending your knees, like by bending down and lifting a thing like that. Fourth mistake that many people do to screw up their lower back is that they bend in a wrong way. Like, many people bend like that and lift a thing. Maybe it's heavy or whatever, or like that maybe, and pick up a thing. While what you should actually do is go toward that thing, go close, keep the object close to their body and bend and pick it up. What this will actually do is minimize the strain on your lower back and make your body use the leg muscles while bending down or lifting an object from a lower height. Thank you for watching this video, and please tell me in the comment section below if it actually helped you to prevent lower back pain, or if there's anything else I can help you with. Please let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button and stay connected and stay tuned to all the content coming up every week.